So in this video, we're going to be covering seed stitch. Now, seed stitch is a really nice way to fill an area or even sometimes add some shading. It's a stitch that basically looks like a pile of seeds just thrown on the ground. That's where it gets its name from. So you're just going to come up anywhere in the space that you want to fill and just one straight stitch and down again. Okay, and then you're going to come up somewhere kind of close to that and do another straight stitch in a slightly different direction. Same again, up close by and down again. So you want them to be roughly the same length of stitch so that they look nice and even. And you just want them to be going in lots of random different directions. I know it's difficult to purposely be random with your stitching, but that's the idea here. Okay, just filling up with lots of small straight stitches. So it's a fairly simple stitch, but it can be really effective for filling a space, as I said. You can do them much closer together as well if you prefer, or you can always double them up. So do two parallel beside each other, just like that. And then do another two together. So you can double them up like that. You can do them really close together and then gradually further apart, as I said, to kind of shade an area. Can be really effective as well. But that's basically your seed stitch. Nice and simple. So I think you get the idea now, but there we have it, your lovely seed stitch. Again, if you have any questions, do let me know. I'd love to answer them. But other than that, happy stitching.